Why floors are an important element of your interior design. Dear friends, your home's flooring is an area of its interior design that deserves a lot of consideration. There are many reasons why flooring is important, not just beauty. If you do not understand these, then you will not be able to effectively install flooring in your home. This video will explain all of the reasons why your home's floors are very important. Enhancing beauty. The main reason that flooring is an important part of your home's design is that it has the power to enhance your home's beauty. The most beautiful kind of flooring is tiled flooring. Providing resistance. If you are going to be buying tiles, then it is a good idea to buy porcelain ones. Porcelain tiles are a lot more resistant to wear than ceramic tiles. Hardwood flooring is also a lot more resistant to wear than ceramic tiles. You always need to think about resistance when you're investing in flooring. The type of floor that's least resistant to wear is carpet. Carpet flooring gets damaged very easily. Carpets are also the most expensive kind of flooring that there is. Protecting family. However, while carpets are expensive and aren't hard-wearing, they do have one major benefit, and that's that they protect young children from injuring themselves. Better insulation. Some types of flooring can improve your home's insulation. Improving insulation is something that's worth thinking about. Minimizing costs. Having good quality flooring can be an effective way of saving money. Because some types of floors are more durable than others, that means that they last longer. It is always important to buy the best flooring that you can afford. Trying to take shortcuts or save money will just lead to you having to replace your floors in the future. Longer lasting. Good quality flooring can last a very long time. Investing in high quality flooring, therefore, means that you won't have to replace your flooring as much, or ever. One good thing about this is that you can keep your home's interior design consistent. Sometimes, it is not possible to buy the same kind of flooring again, either because it's sold out or because it is no longer being manufactured. Pulling together. Finally, good flooring pulls your home's design together. If your floors don't match your walls, furniture, textiles, and other things, then your home will never look good. Good flooring pulls everything together and finishes everything off. Be sure to shop around and find the best type of flooring for your house before designing. It's always important to buy the best flooring that you can afford. The better the flooring in your house, the longer it'll last, and the more money you'll save. Good flooring can also pull your home's design together. It is fair to say then, that good floors are an integral component of a well-designed home. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.